Well, hello. All right, y'all. Rome is back. I'm doing a quick test to see what my lighting is looking like. It's been a while. Um, I haven't came with anything in a minute. Right now, what I'm doing is working on my Google My Business. I will be showing you guys all about it up here. Okay, right there is where it's at, man. I'm gonna go ahead and post this. I'm actually gonna post this up. This is a test. I'm trying to see where my camera is at and everything, man, because I will be posting like crazy for you guys. It's a new year. You already know. Um, I know everybody understands how it is with the kids, everything going on here. And it is hard to stay focused, but you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I'm here to try to make things a little bit easier for you and us in this digital age. Now, this is definitely for beginners. Why? Because, hey, I'm just beginning it, y'all. I'm doing it myself for my business and I'm letting you know how it goes. So follow me. Um, and if you have any input, please put it down in the comments. It could help me out. But So the storyline is I've been building a company. Oh, sorry, my internet's faulty. I've been building a company, a handyman service, and I'm trying to get my website going and stuff like that. It's been kind of slow. I've been trying to generate my own customers through Google My Business listing. I've only had it for about 3 to 4 months, and it's a little slow. It's a little slow, but it's actually like growing. It's growing. I'll show it to you guys. First off, what I want to show you is something that is kind of like is different now. So what happens is you come here, you click on this, Google My Business. It'll bring you here to this page, and then if you have multiple pages, you click this little three dot burger, whatever they call this thing here, and you go to business profiles, right? Okay. And then click on this is my main one. I'm sure you guys probably I'm loading back up. Okay. This is my main one here. Um I'm not getting much. I got uh more views, more clicks last month. But as you can see here, I have 72. Oh, that's just this month. Hmm. Well, I'm on pace to make more clicks this month. Last month, I made about 250 clicks. That's organically. Um, I'm going to be running ads. I'm going to be running ads. I'm going to be learning ads. And I want to teach you guys ads as I go, um, too. So Hopefully, you guys can follow me, go on this journey with me. Um, this is kind of like a case study. It's like a personal case study, right? So things have been working. Things have been working. I have been getting some clicks, but there's a few type of advertising avenues that I will be going through, and that will be uh, Nextdoor and Craigslist. So this page is really about anything digital, marketing and stuff. So I'm gonna be going through that. I'm gonna be going through YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing. I'm gonna be running Facebook ads. Uh, I mean, you know what? I'm like anybody else. I'm nervous about them, but you have to learn how to run a personal marketing ad for your personal business, or else, oh, trust me, trust me, you will be struggling. You will be struggling. So, um, here I am. Here I am. Um, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys see all my wins and my losses of this thing here. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. But before I go, I need to do something. I'm gonna be testing the lighting for you guys, and hey, leave it down in the comments. Which lighting do you like better? You know. So I got this little light, of course, from Five and Below. Um, I got it from Five and Below to see, just to get started, man. I'm anxious to get started. I have gotten started, as you can see, because I got this verified about a couple weeks ago. And that's something that you guys are gonna have to do if you want to do for your business. These are gonna be things that I'm gonna be showing you later on: how to get verified, how to get a review link, um, optimizing checklists for your Google My Business so that you can rank faster amongst your competitors. Well, here I am. Let me see, guys. I'm gonna see. I'm testing a light, so bear with me. Okay, so no, that's no better. Okay, how about that? Oh, hey, what's going on? Okay, let's see here. So I'm looking good though. Oh, okay, okay, all right. I'm with that one. I got a bright light. Okay, yeah, because I would like to be seen. I would like to for you guys to know that I'm here with you. I'm really about to do this thing. I'm actually I'm about to make a Google um AdSense account, and I'll let you know how it goes, guys. I'll let you know how it goes. Ooh, I pushed. Oh, so this is some